Yo, welcome to the show. It's your boy Elias Blade here, back with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is about making two types of guessing games. A normal type of guessing game and a guessing game where the host can do a dance. So first we're going to start off with the guessing game where the host can do a dance. So first you want to click this button here and search up for robot, and then click on this robot right here, or any robot you like. Really, it can be any character, but I'm gonna do a robot for this demonstration. So first of all, you want to go to My Blocks, click Make a Block. Once you've done that, it will come up with this, and you want to write dance. So once you've done that, click OK, and you've got your dance. So you see define, so we'll drag that out. So we're going to use this block once we define it. So we'll put that there. And to define it, first you go to motion and scroll down and see this button, set rotation style, left, right, drag that button out there, and then go to looks, and you can either make it say for 1 second or say it for however. I'm just going to drag out this button, and we are going to make it say yes. And then go to the sounds block, or sound button I should say. So it's got the computer beep. We don't want that. We are going to click choose sound. One sec. But while it's loading, click the search button and then it will come up quicker. Click it again, or if it still shows up, search up Whoop. Click Whoop, and we're going to use this sound. And then click sound. Drag in play sound Whoop until done. And then go to control. Drag out at repeat 10 times loop, and drag out 2 wait 1 second blocks, and make both of them 0.3 seconds. And then what you want to do is go to motion again. This time, drag out a turn right 15 degrees block. Make that 180 degrees. And then drag out 2, 1 sec, go down. Drag out 2 change Y by 10 blocks. And make them, oh no, don't change it. Only change 1 to -10, one of them. So you've got a change Y by 10 and a change Y by -10. Oh, no, not -0. Sorry, 1 second. Yep, -10. So what you want to do first is in the repeat 10 times loop, put in the change Y by 10 block, put a wait 0.3 seconds block under that, and then put the change y by a -10 block under the wait 0.3 seconds, and then put a 0.3 seconds under that, and then put in the turn right 180 degrees block under that. And so there you go, you've defined your dance. So if you want to save it, click backpack and drag the code into the backpack, and next time you want to use this in another project, you can do that. Okay, so now on to the actual guessing game. So first thing you want to do is Dragon A when green flag clicked block. This is really important because the when green flag clicked block starts up the entire game. And then go to motion, sensing, I get confused between those. Dragon A, ask what's your name block. And then go to sensing, looks. Dragon say for 2 seconds block. Get rid of hello. Okay. Go to operators. Dragon A join block. And in the apple section, we are going to write hello, and then do a space, and then get rid of banana. Go to sensing, and Dragon A answer in here. And then let's see how it is now. Okay, so click the green flag. It's going to ask what's your name. Let's say, my name is Scratch Cat. Hello, Scratch Cat. So it's pretty cool. And then what you want to do is go to control, wait 1 second, Dragon A if else block, and in between the wait 1 second and the if else block, Dragon A ask block. So this is pretty cool. You can write any questions you want, but I'm gonna do this question, and let's say, what year was Scratch? Oh, sorry. What year was Scratch created? And then go to operators, Dragon A equal, and in the equal sign, write first of all, let's start off. Go to sensing, Dragon A answer here. And for the answer of this question, it's 2007. And then we are going to drag in. Oh no, get rid of, put this say hello block in the L section, and then duplicate that. 1 sec, right click the dance block and drag it in here. And then click when green flag clicked. What's your name? Scratch Cat. Hello, Scratch Cat. And it's going to wait 1 second. What year was Scratch created? I think I already know the answer. 2007. Click that, and here's a victory dance. So that's the victory dance. And if you want to add another question, follow these steps. And so that's your guessing game. I'm going to show you how to make a normal guessing game without the dance thing. This is more simple. Okay, sorry. 1 sec. It just has to make me delete everything. Oh, the uses of the dance block, and then I can get rid of the definition and all that stuff. You know, I'm just gonna quick get rid of robot. So now we are going to grab out our scratch cat, which we already have. I just hit it. And then I think you know how to do it, but I'm just going to show you in case if you don't know how to. So when green flag clicked, ask whatever question you're going to do. Drag a if else sign. Click operators. Drag in a equal sign. Wherever it is. I don't know where it is. Where did the equal sign go? There. So got our equal sign. Put it in the diamond shape thingy. Put an answer there. Write the answer there. And then motion. Drag in 2 say blocks. In this one, it's the correct and you're gonna say like correct or whatever, and then in this one you're gonna say no, it's not that, it's this. So that's the tutorial for today. Another video coming up very soon, and I'll see you later. Bye.